So I'm like an hour and a half late to my teaching class at Salon Centric. So I will see y'all later. Or well, I'll show y'all my student and then we'll see. But I'm late. I'm about to go in. Y'all, she did that herself. Rainbow inspired Laura Andrea. So the flat iron should be chasing the comb. Like that. The post office finally. It's been forever, so. So far I did that, and then I put my grease pictures on the wall. I know she don't really have nothing in here. I gotta get her stocked up. So yeah, we're making progress. Good morning. So today's Friday and it is what, 11? Girl, I need an iced coffee, but I have everything else but the coffee. Like I have the Starbucks creamer, the special whipped cream for like lattes and and I don't have nothing. So I leave in 2 hours to go to New York. Y'all always know my hair is never done. So I got this new wig. It was already styled and everything. 30 inches. It's a closure. I haven't worn a closure in a while. So because I'm in a rush, I was like, let me just take this 30 inch, put it on, but I'm gonna color it because I want something different, because I have a 30 inch and a 40 inch, the same unit as this deep wave. But yeah, let's get into it, sis. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if I want to do a bleach bath because it's gonna take too long, because remember I told you I'm leaving in the next 2 hours and I have to pack, do my hair and color this, and I want to do it like a burgundy. So I'm using Crimson from Temptation. I love their products. I use that all the time. So I think what I'm gonna do is create like a little mixture in here, like give it like a regular bleach first and then do a bleach bath, I guess. Child, I don't know what I want to do. Y'all see? I'm at the casino in Atlantic City. Okay guys, we are here. Yo, it's nice here. I don't really gamble. Do y'all gamble? Like I don't really know what I be doing. But if you can, teach me. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's like a wall of like guitars and stuff. Oh look, oh I gotta show y'all what I'm wearing. I'm passing a little mirror, something like that. So but look, this is so nice, right? I don't know how to play. It would be cool though if I knew how to play. Do y'all know how to play? hopefully they don't mind, but look at this, the beauty. Y'all. Oh, these are beautiful. This one right here though. So today, I don't know, today's like a busy day. I just woke up, got up out of bed, brushed my teeth, and I already started washing one wig for a revamp, and then I have another wig to bleach in like almost an hour, dry, and then hit the road. So we have a lot to do today. I hope you're ready. Okay, so she's washed already. She's deep conditioning now. I'm gonna put her in this bag and then put her in the freezer. Yes, the freezer. That is a tip. Put your wigs in the freezer once they're deep conditioning. Thank me later. I'm in New York. We made it. So I went in the room earlier, but I forgot I didn't give you all a room tour. So this is when you walk in. I got my stuff behind the door. And then this is the restroom. That's cute. What's this? Oh, okay. A nice little closet. So I like the feel of this like hotel. Like it's like a old type hotel. Look at the, what's this called again, guys? Typewriter? You know, it's like a nice little cute room. I'm so excited! I finally get to eat. Yes. So this is different. It has eggs, corn, broccoli, shrimp, I don't know what else, crab legs. I don't know. Your girl is hungry. I do not have a fork to get these stuff out. I have no gloves. But it is what it is. I'm starving. I'm hungry. We're gonna do this. So let's get into it. Oh. It smells so good, but I wish I had a microwave in here, and I got my bottled water, and I have no rag on my end, so they have like napkins, not even napkins, like tissue, so I'm gonna use that. Oh my god, okay, I'm gonna start with the eggs first, just because my seafood boil at home don't be having eggs where I live. Well, it's an egg. It's a little dry, but I guess because I had it sitting for a couple hours while I was doing here. Let me try the sauce. This was supposed to be pepper sauce. It's not pepper at all. Let's try these broccolis. Okay. I guess the food is stuff right there. Alright, I'm good, thank you. But what did y'all do today? I missed y'all. Like, all I did was work. Drive down here, work. Now, munching on this. Oh, and it is I don't know, it's not showing. 12:54. And this is me. I don't know. I may watch it today or later. But yeah, I feel like it's been the same length for like years. Once I started wearing wigs, I feel like I stopped taking care of my hair, but I don't know. Yo, this is why I wear wigs. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Bruh, this forehead. This forehead is not it. Like, that's why I wear wigs, because I be hiding my forehead. My dry lips. I'm digging the fro. Digging the fro. I love it. I love my fro. I remember when I became natural. Okay, let me stop and go to the store. Y'all, I'm sick. So I have been trying to find my Starbucks iced coffee for like 2 weeks now, and it's sold out like everywhere. Walmart, Stop and Shop, like, bruh. And when I buy the iced coffee, I buy like 3 bottles of the Starbucks iced coffee and 2 of the creamer, and nothing. So I'm like having like a little withdrawals right now. And mind you, I just started like drinking coffee like that a month and a half ago. I don't know, I just got like this weird craving, and like I really wanted coffee for some reason. Like my body got like sick and tired of the tea, even though tea is the best. But now I'm like an iced coffee addict. Not a hot coffee, a iced coffee. Well, I guess only that Starbucks one. Child, I don't know. Only the Starbucks one. Only iced coffee, okay? Please, please, if you know where to find it, help me. I'm tripping. And I'm getting a sew-in. I haven't gotten a sew-in in years. Like, almost like 10 years, I think. So I am a little nervous. You know, all I wear is wigs. Yeah, y'all see this wig tan? And all my forehead is gonna be out. Like, what am I gonna do? Because I'm getting braids in the front and then in the back. So this is my hair, how it looks, the finished. Yeah, I'm so aggravated. Like, I'm doing down here by myself, and I am not a DIY kind of person. It's not me. I rather paid for it and get it all done and be over with. And this time I was thinking, you know what, let me DIY it out here. Bro, I'm aggravated. So let me tell y'all where I'm at. So y'all remember I did the floor last time. Okay, the floor is not sticking. So I had to buy some glue, construction glue it says. And basically I had to rip up all of that part over there. Okay, you see where you have that right here? All of that needs to be picked up. And then I just redid all of this right here. And then all of that still have left to do. Bruh, I'm just like over it. I'm over it. Over it. I'm stressed. Stressed to the max. And then I bought some, I'll show y'all when I get there. So this is official day 2. I'm gonna say this is day 2 because we got the floor down. So this is what I did so far. Well, obviously with the help of my mom, because she saw me struggling. Y'all, so I am now at Lowe's. And as you can see, I'm returning these. I wasn't really liking that, the wallpaper. Okay, so they did return it, thank God, because of my card. But now I'm here looking for like gold spray paint to spray paint the stuff. But I don't know what's a good one. Like, I have no idea. So I finally made it in the dollar store, and I was looking for gold frames, but they only have this one and it's too small, so my certificate is not gonna be able to fit in there. So I see these. I guess I can DIY it gold. So I need two, one for my lash, one for my hair. This is my third week trying to find Starbucks iced coffee. Third week, and I can't find it nowhere. So wish me luck. And no, guys, I still didn't freaking find the Starbucks coffee. So it's been 3 weeks and 1 day I haven't had coffee. Okay, so I forgot like a idiot to get the freaking chopsticks. And this is the country shrimp tempura, however you say it. Ooh. Do y'all eat sushi? I love sushi. I really should have marked this and leveled it, but y'all, I don't think that's leveled, because this is like here on this, and it runs like that. Yeah, if I keep taking this off, it's gonna, I swear it's been like an hour. So I cut out all the little strips of tape and put them like that. I'm like tired. Oh, look at that. I wasn't gonna put it the wrong way.